It's always great having a dealership you know you can rely on, not just to purchase a vehicle, but when it comes to service. And even if you don't have a new car or something that you purchased from SRQ Auto, doesn't matter. They've opened up their brand new service department to help you with your service, your quality repair, your maintenance, whatever it is you need. SRQ Auto wants to be your one-stop shop. Now, if maybe you're looking for a pre-owned vehicle, son or daughter, graduation time, finest pre-owned vehicles at the best price. Here's the cool thing. All their vehicles go through an inspection before they're put up for sale to ensure you get the highest quality vehicle. That's pre-owned luxury cars, sports cars, trucks, does not matter. New inventory arriving every single week. But the most important thing is bank financing and in-house financing available. So you're guaranteed credit approval. Put your mind at ease and get into SRQ Auto and see for yourself. That's it. They take pride in giving you personal service to make your experience easy and affordable. Right there off Northgate Court in Sarasota and online at srqauto.com.